internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have January's Inku unboxing video and I'm so excited. It's the first stationery box for the new year. And oh, the rabbit, yes, of course, because it's Lunar New Year in January, so we are celebrating the year of the rabbit, which is so cute. So many bunny things. Okay, let's get right into it. I already see these cute little bunny stickers. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Weird that they didn't come in any like packaging. Not that I really care because they are cute on their own. But yeah, they're beautiful pastel colors. They're flat. I can already see myself using these. And then we have an actual little bunny. I think it's just like a plushie. Yeah. Wrist and armrest. Oh, okay. So I guess you do this when you're like on your mouse or something like that. That's kind of cool. I'm not sure I would actually need it because I've never really had any wrist issues on the computer, but I'm actually going to keep it and see if it does come in handy. And we have some Pokemon washi tape, Pocket Monster. That's the design in case you're curious. I take it out, but I always feel like this is a much better view on what the washi tape is like. Pingu, Eevee, Pokemon, yeah. I mean, Pokemon Pikachu. That is so cute. And then, speaking of Pokemon / Pikachu, a towel pouch. Weird. Alright. Oh, onigiri. In the little booklet it says towel pouch, but I think it's because it's made out of a towel. But really, you can put anything you want in it. Oh, it's like you can put food in it. Alright, so it's like any squared products. Onigiri, whatever you want. That is so cool. Like you can open it right up. Yeah, just like that. Can you guys see that? It's like an insulation, so whatever it is, you can keep cool and fresh. I love this. Okay, we keep going. We have, oh, stamp. It's like a little bunny stamp. We can try that out at the end when we try out this marker. And then we've got this pencil here, like a really cute bunny pencil, which, as you guys know, I will not be sharpening because I just don't need to use it right now. So I'll put that to the side. And then the last one is pencil sharpener. So if I was going to use that pencil, I could probably use this. But yeah, there's really no need. It looks like you... Okay, this is actually a really cool concept. I'm not sure I would use it in that way, but can you guys kind of see like screws-ish on the bottom or inside? I think the idea is that you put this like on the top or the neck of a bottle, and then you just put your pencil shavers in it. So if you're throwing away the bottle, that's like a cool concept. I wouldn't do that just because I usually recycle all my bottles, so I wouldn't put shavings into it. But well, I guess I could recycle shavings too. I don't know. Do they appreciate having shavings in bottles if you're trying to recycle them? I have no idea. But either way, it's a very cool concept. Alright, let's go test out that pen and the stamp. Alright, so I figured we test out this stamp first. Oh, it's cute. It's this. It's basically this. It's like lying on its side. That's really cute. Okay, you don't have to press so hard and you can get like a better shape. That one was way too hard. And then we have this mild marker. It's like turquoise. Ooh, alright, it's literally just a highlighter, isn't it? It's a really flexible highlighter. But like, it seems lighter than it is. Like it's turquoisey in color, but it's really light turquoise, almost blue. But it's really nice. I like it. So that is pretty much everything in the January Inku box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, Internet.